There's only one thing preventing you or anyone from having a successful myEcon business right here, right now in 2025. We're going to break that down and talk about what the biggest thing, the elephant in the room that most people don't want to talk about. And I'm going to let you know how to fix it. So if you want to learn, you want to build a successful business with myEcon, you want to make that residual income, watch this video all the way through and we're going to dive right into it. If you're new here to the channel, my friends, my name is DK, also known as Daniel. I've been in the make money online space, been with myEcon since 2018, making a full-time income right here online since 2017. And I'm a CEO Infinity with myEcon, which is one of the top rank. And plain and simple, I get to teach and show people just like you how to create successful home-based businesses. So if you're new, you're checking out the channel, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. And by the way, I go live multiple times per week showing you how to get guaranteed sales. Yeah, guaranteed commissions with your myEcon business. I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can click on that, check that out. But let's dive right into it. Let's get into it and talk about, we're going to break it all down for you. What are the income producing activities that you actually have to do to build and grow a network marketing business? I'm going to show you what those are. And then we're going to talk about the one big thing that is preventing you from getting the results that you're after. And if you watch all the way to the end, I'm going to talk to you and show you how to fix it if this is probably and most likely an issue for you and, well, let's just say thousands or even millions of other people, okay? We all fight this battle together. So let's dive into it. So one of the things that we did for our team to help people know exactly step-by-step what to do in their myEcon business is we put together a team site. Now, this team site has literally everything you need. This is a standalone, by the way. This is proprietary. This is for our team only. You will not find this inside the myEcon members area. Now, there certainly is some step-by-step stuff that you can follow inside of the myEcon members area. They do have some training. However, this is more very much team specific, and it goes way beyond what myEcon offers because, we want to give our team members as much as possible. So all of your sales funnels, all of your scripts, like everything that you need to do, all of your IPA, your income producing activities is all included in here. And it, really dives into what works today in network marketing right now, meaning, you're not pitching and spamming friends and family. You're not out there, making lists of your 100 friends and family. You're not inviting them to hotel meetings. You're not trying to get people on conference calls. You're not doing in-home parties. You're not doing all that old school stuff that most people don't want to do. This is what's working right now today. And it's something that anybody could do from anywhere in the world, all from the comfort of home. So it's all in here. Now, let me just be really clear without going through all this stuff that's in here. I'm just going to break it down real stupid simple. What we've put together here in our vault is, basically it is a vault, a wealth of information for you. So everything that you need is going to be inside of the vault right here. And specifically, something that we most recently launched here is our income shifting campaign. So if you go over here to, your myEcon members area, one of myEcon's core products and really a way for you or anyone joining myEcon, this is how you can instantly increase your cash flow without recruiting a single person, meaning you can get started today. You can put more money back in your bank account and you don't have to recruit anyone. You don't have to post a link anywhere. You don't have to share it with friends or family. You can literally get started today, right now in myEcon, and you can start making more money. It's awesome. And is one of the only businesses that I've seen actually be able to do that. Okay. So inside our campaign, we have all of this stuff that shows you exactly what to do. So if you're looking to build a successful network marketing business, if you want to make passive residual income right now in 2025 or whenever you're watching this video, here is your step-by-step, play-by-play broken down by income producing activities. So you have your long form videos, your short form videos, your Facebook posts, your direct messages. They're all color coded. All of those things land right here on our content calendar. So you know every single day what to do, what day to do it on. And it's all broken down in really simple and easy to follow steps. Okay. So if you're looking to build a business online, you're looking to build a business with myEcon, you're looking to become successful and want to know exactly what to do, boom, there it is. Now, here's where the excuses start to come into play. And this is the opportunity and the problems and the issues that most people face when getting started with myEcon, or really any online business, any, make money from home business, whether it be affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online marketing, network marketing, you name it. It's it's all the same fears, it's all the same opportunities and issues. Okay. So what we did is we put together a step-by-step 90-day growth plan to help you, again, or anyone, know exactly what to do, because a lot of people will tell you, well, if I'm going to go out and build this and I'm going to use social media, I don't have a lot of friends. These are the two biggest things that we hear. I don't have a lot of friends on social media. I don't have a lot of followers on social media. Or I don't want to pitch friends and family on social media. Either way, any one of those excuses, we got you. Here is the step-by-step, play-by-play to know exactly what to do to build your social media profile to thousands of followers. And not only that, thousands of followers in the same niche that you are in. You can see this little anonymous giraffe right here. This means someone from our team is actually on this document right now. Okay. So it's going to give you step by step exactly what to do, a 90-day push. And even down at the bottom here, we have your first 30 days. So you know exactly what to do right here in your first 30 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Everything that you need to do to build and grow your business, step by step, play by play, everything you need to know. And it's all in this campaign that will help you get out there and get results with myEcon. Step by step, everything you need to do, all of your scripts, everything. And now it just comes down to the big, giant purple or pink or fuchsia or whatever color you want to consider it, elephant in the room of, now you got to go do the work. Now you got to go do the thing. Now you just have to do it. So I'm going to unshare my screen here and I'm going to get real with you. Okay. This is where most people decide that they cannot be successful in network marketing. Most people decide that it's not a good fit, or they can't do this, or insert excuse here. And I'm going to use a line from Jim Rohn that I really want this to sink in for you. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll create an excuse. And we hear all the time, I don't know how, or I don't have this, or I don't have that, or I can't do this, or I can't do that. All of those things simply mean, we're going to bring it all in now. All of those things simply mean is that you don't want it bad enough. You're not willing to do the work, which you have the step by step. You do know how. So it's not that you don't know how. You have the internet at your fingertips. When you're on our team, you have the training, you have the step by step, you have everything you need to actually go do. If you're using the excuse of you don't know how, what that really means is you don't feel like it. You don't want it bad enough. You don't have the mindset, the attitude, the drive to actually go do the work, because it's easier to say no. It's easier to give up. It's easier to quit. And now's here where we get down to the real brass tacks, the real meat and potatoes, the real reason why you can't build a successful business with myEcon or any business online. It has nothing to do with myEcon. It has nothing to do with the step-by-step. It has nothing to do with the instructions, the amount of followers you have or don't have. All of that stuff is fixable. It all comes down to one basic thing with you, and that's your confidence, your belief in your own abilities. Now, and this is the truth, and this is what you need to know and understand. If you're at a point where you're making excuses, you can't, you don't know how, you don't have the abilities, you're scared, you don't want to get on camera, whatever. Like I said, all of that stuff is fixable. If you're at a point where you're making excuses and you don't want to do it, you're saying you can't, you're saying you don't know how, all that stuff, it comes down to confidence. Now, here's the good news. If you lack the confidence because of skills, ability, whatever, you can fix your confidence. You can strengthen your confidence. You can increase the levels of your confidence. You have the ability. And you can do that with, books. I'll give you three really incredible examples. And all of these, by the way, all of these books that I'm going to reference to you, okay, you can probably go find for free right here on YouTube. The Four Agreements, okay, The Compound Effect, Start with Why. You can increase your confidence, which will then increase your abilities, which will increase your outlook, your mindset, your attitude. Every issue that you think you may or may not have is fixable. It just comes down to, do you want it or not? Do you want to fix, get better, increase, grow, build? Are you willing to put in the work to get better? And if you're not, again, you just don't want it bad enough. If you do want it bad enough, you'll put in the work. And all the step-by-step, all the technical stuff of what it actually takes to build a successful business with myEcon or any other business, it's just numbers. It's just a numbers game. You need to go out there and you need to go get the numbers. That's it. That's literally all it takes. And anybody can do it. Anybody from anywhere around the world can build a successful myEcon or network marketing business. Anyone. And you can fix and create and work on all the abilities and all the step-by stuff, but all that technical stuff doesn't matter. The how-to steps, the building your following, the creating content here on YouTube and short form videos and Facebook posts and all that technical stuff doesn't matter. This right here is what matters. Your mindset, your outlook, your attitude. You want to win with myEcon. You want to win in life. You want to win in business and create a successful home-based business that could pay you 5 figures a month and let you live the life that is, most people only dream of. You can do that if you want to. You just have to have the confidence and belief in yourself. So I hope this makes sense. And like I said, if your confidence lacks, you can fix that. It's all fixable. It's all fixable. You just got to decide if you want it or not. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, do me a favor, drop a comment down below and let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this video. If you made it to this point in the video, and for whatever crazy reason, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content, anytime I go live, anytime I put out a new video about myEcon. You, my friend, will be the first to know. That's a pretty cool thing. Also, if you need more information about myEcon, our team, and how we give you over $11,000 in free value, I'm going to leave an end card right here at the end of this video. Simply tap on that, head on over, watch my full 30-minute overview. You'll have all the details. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.